In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a fabric napkin with rickrack trim. You will need 2 pieces of fabric, one for the top and one for the bottom, both measuring 16.5 inches square. You will also need rickrack trim of your choice. Before we start sewing, give your fabric a little press. We're going to start by placing the rickrack on top of the fabric. You need to have the wavy line of the rickrack against the outside edge of your fabric. I'm also going to move my needle over, so it's going to be sewing straight down here through the rickrack. You could pin this if you wanted to, but I don't really think there's a need to. And when we get to the corner, we're going to turn the rickrack around, and you can manipulate it. Just take your time, because we're going to cut this corner off later on. Keep turning it. Make sure it's in line with the edge of the fabric again. Straighten everything up. Sew down this edge down to the next corner and repeat. And when we get back to where we've started, just try and see if it'll line up. Doesn't always. Do a back stitch to secure the stitches in place. I'm just going to trim this off here. And you can see we've stitched it all the way around to the top of your napkin. So you can see that we've sewn the rickrack all the way around the edge to the top of your napkin fabric. We're going to get our backing fabric. We're going to put it face down onto the top of the napkin. I'm just going to clip these into place so they don't move. And you can see here that I've got everything clipped into place so it's nice and secure. At the bottom here, I'm going to leave a gap of a few inches, and I'm just going to mark it here with a friction pen. So we've got that room there to turn the napkin inside out. Now this is the easy bit. So we are going to sew from here. We're going to put a back stitch in there, and then we're going to stitch on top of this line here, because this is your guideline. You know exactly where your rickrack sits on your napkin top. And we're going to go gently around the corner following that stitch mark. We're back at the sewing machine now, and I'm going to secure my stitch, and we're going to follow the line of the previous stitching, which is in green here, and I'm going to sew on top of that line of stitching all the way around. You can use pins if you want to, I just don't like using them. And at the corner, we're going to turn it around gently as we did before. Just keep moving your fabric around. And you can see here my marker that I made with a friction pen, and we're going to sew up to that line. and do a back stitch and secure your stitches in place. And you can see that we've got a gap here to turn the napkin inside out. But before we do that, I'm going to trim off these corners. You can see we've got a nice curved corner there. Trim that, and if you've got any excess fabric like I have here, just trim that off before you turn it inside out. So we've stitched all the way around the edge from this point here all the way around to this point here. We've trimmed the corners off, and now we just turn it inside out. And you start to see the rickrack poking through. Get your pokey stick, whatever you use, just gently push those corners out. We're now going to press around the edge of your napkin. And you might need to roll the fabric a little bit so you get it all straight and the background is not showing between the rickrack. You might just need to roll it a little bit with your fingers. Give the corners a really good press. I'm going to stitch the top stitch on this once it's all pressed. We've got this gap here at the bottom. So press that in place because we're going to put a top stitch around the whole of the napkin. Then I suggest you give it just a quick iron over before you take it back to the sewing machine. We're back at the sewing machine, and what we're going to do now is do a top stitch all the way around, which will close up this gap here. So I am moving my needle over to 1/4 of an inch, but I'm making sure that the edge of this part of my foot is in line with the edge of the fabric here. I'm going to bring my thread to the top. I'm going to secure the stitch in place, and I'm going to sew all the way around the napkin. Get to the corners, we're going to do exactly what we've done before. Just gently go around, moving the fabric 1 or 2 stitches at a time. Straighten it up and sew down this side. And do that for every corner. We're almost back at the beginning. You can see your threads here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sew up to and over 2 or 3 of those stitches. Do a back stitch or secure your stitches in place, and then trim off any excess thread. And here we have our finished napkin. It's got a lovely green on the underside, and it's going to be perfect for your summer picnics. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button.